we're going to have a look at a B grade GCSE question. And this question is x squared plus 5x plus 6. And we know two numbers must multiply together to give us plus 6. So we're going to start off trying to find the factors, or which two numbers were multiplied together to give us 6. We could have 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. But it could be plus 1 times plus 6 or minus 1 times minus 6. Again, it could be plus 2 times plus 3 or minus 2 times minus 3, because a plus times a plus is a plus and a minus times a minus is also a plus. Now we want to look for plus 5. What combination of these factor pairs would give us plus 5? Now some of you might be able to see it straight away, but if you can't, let's just see. We could start with plus 1 plus 6, so we know that's plus 7. We could have minus 1 and minus 6, so that's minus 7. And here we are, plus 2 and plus 3, so plus 5. That's what we want. That is our coefficient of x, or the number in front of the x. So we can now write this as 4 terms and not 3. The x squared stays the same, but our coefficient of x has been broken down into 2 parts. And they are the plus 2, we'll put the x on the end, and the plus 3x. The number at the end remains the same. Now we have our 4 terms, we can draw a box with 4 parts. And we'll start by putting our x squared term in here, our 6, but it's a plus 6 in here, and the other 2 x terms in either box. It does not matter which box. Now we're going to look at this row. We're going to try and find out what each of these boxes in this row have in common. Well, they both have an x. And we know to get the first box, we must do x times x, because x times x is x squared. We can tick it when we know we've got it. The second box, we must do x times positive 2. There we are, we have that one. Now let's look downwards. X times what will give us plus 3x? Well, that's plus 3. And let's double check, last box, plus 2 times plus 3 gives us plus 6. So we can now put this into our brackets. If we go downwards, we have x plus 3. And if we go across the top, we have x plus 2. If you are not sure if that is the correct answer, expand the brackets again.